children, welcome back to Mathematics Class. In the previous class, we have discussed expanded form and short form of the 4-digit numbers. I hope you practiced it very well. Now see children, there are two things in my right hand as well as left hand. So both are, what do you know? Both are toothpaste. Okay, in my right hand I have Meshwak toothpaste and left hand I have Dabur Red toothpaste. Now see here, in which hand I have the bigger toothpaste box? Right hand or left hand? In the right hand I have bigger toothpaste box. Okay. Children, what are these? Do you know? These are teacups. Okay. In my left hand and right hand, in both hands I have teacups. Can you say in which hand I have bigger teacup or smaller teacup? Yeah, in my right hand smaller teacup. In my left hand I have bigger teacup. Very good. What are these? Can you say? These are pens, marker pens. Okay, black and blue. Okay, we don't need to compare this now, colors. Now see the size. In my right hand and left hand I have two pens. Are they different in size? Both are same. They are equal. Okay. Now children, see here. Actually, do you know what we did? We compared these two toothpaste boxes in sizes. We compared sizes of these cups. And last we compared the sizes of the two pens. We found out for toothpaste, right hand is bigger than left hand. For teacups, right hand is smaller than left hand. And finally, pens, both right hand pen and left hand pen are equal, are same. So here we compared object. In the same way, if we take the 4-digit numbers, we can compare the 4-digit numbers. So today let us discuss about comparison of 4-digit numbers. So children, while comparing two numbers, we can say that greater than, less than and equal to. Same as previous we discussed it about tooth box, right? Toothpaste boxes. Right hand toothpaste box is greater than left hand toothpaste box. We said greater than, that means this is bigger than this. So greater than means it is more. When it is more we say greater than. And the symbol of greater than is this. And after that we compared teacups. My right hand teacup is smaller than left hand teacup, means it is smaller than the left hand. So we are saying here smaller. So that is nothing but less than. Smaller is nothing but less than in our 4-digit numbers comparison. So this is the symbol of less than. At last we compared our pens, right? Both are same. But that means equal to. The symbol of equal to is this. So in this way we compare the numbers, greater than number, less than number or equal to. So let us take few numbers and compare the numbers. While comparing the 4-digit numbers, we have to follow certain rules. So here I gave 5 examples. So in these 5 examples, you will cover all the rules for comparison of 4-digit numbers. First, let us go for the first example. See, left hand side, right hand side. On the left hand side, I have the number 3625, that means 3625. How many digits are there in this number? 4 digits. On the right hand side, if you compare, it is 3-digit number. So 4-digit number is greater number or 3-digit number is greater number? Yeah, very good. See, the bigger the digit, the bigger the number. So number of digits increases and the number increases. When in a number the digits are more, the number is greater. So we came to know that this number is greater and this number is less than. Okay, for identifying greater than symbol, what is a greater than symbol? Just we discussed like this. Okay, greater than symbol. So this is a 4-digit number and this is a 3-digit number. So while comparing like this, you have to remember, we have to compare digits first. If the digits are more, then that number will be the bigger number. Now second question, see once. 3498 on the left hand side, 2176 on the right hand side. If you compare, both the numbers are having 4 digits, 4 digits, 4 digits. So at that time, what we have to do? We have to look up for the highest place. In 4 digit number, what is the highest place? It is thousands place. So in thousands place, we have number 3 here. Here we have number 2, digit 2. So which digit is greater? Digit 3 is greater or digit 2 is greater? Digit 3 is greater. Greater is on the left hand side. So as we discussed, greater than symbol is like this. So when the digit in the highest place is greater, the total number becomes greater. So 3498 is greater than 2176. Next, go for the third question. Again we have 4 digit numbers. Both are 4 digit numbers. So when both digits are same, both numbers 4 digits are same, what we have to look? We have to look up for the highest place value, thousands. In thousands we have 6 here. Here also we have 6. So we have to look up for the next place, hundreds place. So when both are same, we have to look up for the hundreds place. Okay. Now in hundreds place, here it is digit 5. Here it is digit 7. Left hand side is greater or right hand side is greater? Right hand side is greater. So this is less than this. Basing on this place, automatically the total number becomes less than this number. What is the symbol of less than? This is the symbol of less than. Go for this example. How many digits are there? 4 digits. Here also 4 digits. So as per rule 2, what you have to look up for the highest place? Thousands place. Thousand place is same. Then what? As per rule 3, go for hundreds place. Hundreds place also same. Then go for the next place, that is tens place. So tens place, we have to look for the tens place. While comparing in the tens place, the digit in the tens place on the left hand side is 7 and the digit on the tens place on the right hand side is 3. Which digit is greater? On the left hand side is greater. So total number becomes greater. This number is greater than that number. So greater than that number. And the last example, see here on the left hand side 4 digit number, right hand side also 4 digit number. So what we have to do? Look up for the thousands place. Thousands place 8, thousand place 8. As per rule 3, we have to look up for the hundreds place. Hundreds place 1. Here also hundreds place 1. Tens place. Tens place is 7. Tens place is 7. Then finally, which digit gives us answer? Finally ones place gives us answer. So we have to look up for the ones place. On the left hand side number ones place, we have digit 6. Right hand side digit 8. 6 is less than 8. So total number becomes less than this number. Okay. The 8176 is less than 8178. So this is how, basing on the places also, we have to compare the given 4 digit numbers. These are the rules you have to remember. Now I will tell you some simple technique to remember less than and greater than symbol. Okay. Whenever we are taking a number, greater than number and less than number we have, right? For greater number, from now let us give 2 points. And for less number, from now let us give 1 point. Simple example. 8 is there, 7 is there, 6 is there and 9 is there. Okay. Let us compare between these 2 digits, 8 and 7. Which is greater here? 8 is greater than 7. So as we know, 8 is greater digit, so greater number. As I said, greater number, let us give us 2 points. Here less number, so we have to give 1 point. Now you have to join this. See, like this. When you join this, you will get here 6 and 9. We have 2 digits of numbers. Which digit is greater? 6 or 9? 9 is greater, so 2 points. I am giving 2 points for 9. 6 is less than number, so I am giving only 1 point. Okay, now we can join like this and form less than symbol. Okay, now whenever you see greater digits, always you insert 2 dots. For lesser number, you have to insert 1 dot and join them. You will get greater than symbol, less than symbol. Sometimes there are situations like 4, 5 or 3 numbers will be given. Then how do you compare numbers at that time? Simple example I will take. There are 4 friends. Let us take A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D are 4 friends. Shall we compare the heights of the 4 friends? Let us assume A is 90 centimeters, B is 85 centimeters, C is 95 centimeters, D is 60 centimeters. Here are the heights of the 4 friends. Now I can ask question like this. Can you arrange these heights from smaller number to bigger number? Means height wise, we say, right? Height wise, stand in a line, height wise. Height wise, we have to arrange them in height wise. Height wise means who will be first? Shorter will be first or taller will be first? Shorter will be first. So if we take about only numbers, let us concentrate only on numbers like this. Okay, let us concentrate only on numbers. Now we are concentrating on numbers means what? We have lesser number, bigger number. That means if you are taking 4 numbers, we have smallest number and largest number. Now I said you that arrange them in the increasing order, means small to big. So like this. What is the smallest number here? Smallest number. What is the smallest number here? 60 is the smallest number. Height wise, let us arrange height wise. Next 60, and the height should increase. 60 after, which is the bigger number? 85 is the bigger number. So 85 will be around here. Now greater than 85 we have 90. 90 will be here. And last we have 95. So their heights will be like this. So their height will be like this. Same, I said arrange them in taller to shorter. Now what we'll do? First 95 will be like this, then 90, then 85, and last shortest 60. So what? See, we are arranging from bigger number to smaller number. Look here clearly. First we have number 60, 85, 90, 95. So we are increasing the order. Here we are decreasing the order. Increasing number, decreasing number. When we are comparing more than 2 numbers, this situation comes. So when we are comparing like this, we can arrange in 2 ways. Whether we can increase the order or we can arrange them in the decreasing order. This is nothing but increasing order is called as ascending order. Decreasing order is called descending order. So let me write here. This is ascending order. That means what? Increasing order from smaller number to bigger number, that smallest number to the largest number. So this is ascending order. Okay. Now what is this? Descending order. Arranging the numbers from largest to smallest. So this will be descending order. Okay. Ascending order as well as descending order. Now basing on this, let us learn a song. Let us enjoy a song. Okay. Ascending order, descending order. Ascending order, what we are doing? We are climbing up like this. Then descending order, we are coming down. Okay. Now get ready with your hand movements. Keep your left hand in this way and right hand above it. Okay. First let us start with ascending order. Okay. Everyone should sing with me. Okay. Ascending, ascending, climbing up. Come on. Ascending, ascending, climbing up. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Sing with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let us revise again one at a time. Ascending order. Ascending, ascending, climbing up. Ascending, ascending, climbing up. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here what is happening, children? We are increasing order, okay? Small number to bigger number, we are climbing up like this. See, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, the numbers are increasing. Now see, decreasing. Okay, keep the left hand and right hand below. Because we are decreasing. We are climbing up. Now we are coming down. See, like coming down. Okay. Now let us sing us. Okay. Descending, descending, coming down. Descending, descending, coming down. With left hand. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay. Now what we are doing? Descending, descending, coming down. See, coming down. Now shall we sing the song from starting to ending? Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ascending, ascending, climbing up. Ascending, ascending, climbing up. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Descending, descending, coming down. Descending, descending, coming down. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, children, practice this song so that you can understand ascending order, descending order very well. Ascending, ascending, climbing up means increasing. See, small to bigger number. Descending, descending, coming down from bigger number to smaller number. If you practice this song, definitely you will learn this concept in an easy method. Now let us go for the practice time sums. Practice time 1.4. First bit. Fill in the blanks using greater than, less than or equal to. Question A. Go for the highest places. Thousands place we have digit 1 here, digit 2. So digit 1 is less than digit 2. So total number will be less than this number. So less than this number. B question. 1991 on the left hand side, 1999 on the right hand side. So first look up for the thousands place. 1, 1. Same, when both places are same, what you have to do? You have to go for the hundreds place. Hundreds place is 9, 9. Again same. When both 100 places, thousands places are same, you have to go for the tens place. Now tens place here is 9. Here also 9. So at last, when all the three places in thousands places, hundreds places and tens places are same, finally the digit in the ones place gives us the answer for comparison. Here we have digit 1, here we have digit 9. So which is greater and which is lesser number? 1 is less than 9. So when 1 is less than 9, the total number will become less than this number. 1991 is less than 1999. Now go for this question. Here we have left hand side 4 digit numbers, whereas right hand side we have 3 digit numbers. As we discussed, greater the digits, the greater the number will be. So this number is greater than this. D question. 3471 and on the right hand side 7285. See, thousands places we have 3 and we have 7. So which digit is greater? 7 is greater. 3 is less than 7. When the digit in the thousands place is less than the digit in the thousands place of this number, the total number is less than this number. So this number is less than this number. And see, 1786 on the left hand side, 2786 on the right hand side. In the thousands place we have 1 here, 2 here. 1 is less than 2. So this total number will be less than this number. And last, see here, 4 digits, 4 digits. First digit 8 in the thousands place, same. Hundreds place 8 and 8, same. Tens place 2 and 2, same again. Last, which digit will give answer when all the 3 places are same? Ones place will give us answer. Even ones place also equal. That means what? The total number is equal. These two numbers are equal. Equal to symbol is this. Okay. Now let us go for the next bit. Second bit. Circle the largest number. So we have some numbers here. We have to pick up the largest number. So largest numbers means what? We have to look up for the highest place. Highest place is thousands place here. So highest place, thousands place, we have 4, 4, 4, 4 and 4. All the thousands places are 4 equal. Then go for hundreds place. Hundreds place, we have 6 here, 6 here, 6 here. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. If you compare in the hundreds place, 6, 6, 6. It's okay. 1. This 6 is greater than 1, so we have to keep it aside. And see all the 100 places 6 and here 100 places 8. So 8 is greater than this all numbers. So automatically this number will become the largest number among all these. Because 4800 is 4600, 600, 600 and 4100 only. Here 4800. So this number will become the largest number out of all these numbers. Now B question. See, same from these numbers we have to find out the largest number. Look up for the thousand place. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. All thousands places are filled with 7. So let us go for hundreds place. 2, 6, 4, 1, 4. Out of these digits, which digit is greater? Which digit is greatest of among all the digits? See, 6 is the greatest digit of all the digits which are in the hundreds place. So when this is greatest, automatically the number will become the greatest number among all this. In the same way, we have to circle the smallest number now. Smallest number means what? In the thousands place, we should get the digit as the smallest digit. See, thousands place, 8, 8, 8, 2 and 3. So these three numbers are greatest digits, 8. But what we need, smallest number means we have to pick up smallest digit in the thousands place. 2 and 3 in the thousands place. Which digit is smallest? 2 or 3? 2 is smallest. So automatically this total number will become the smallest number among all the given numbers. Now go for this question. Smallest number now. Thousands place 4, 4, 4, 4 and 4. All the thousands places are filled with 4. So what we have to do? Go for the hundreds place here. 7, 1, 6, 4, 1. So out of this we got two smallest digits, 1 and 1. Okay. We have to look up only for this because we need smallest number. So this and this. When both numbers are having same digits in the hundreds place, we have to go for the tens place to get clarity. In the tens place we have 6 here, we have 1 here. So which digit is smallest? 1. So this number will become the smallest number among all these numbers. Now let us go for the fourth bit, ascending order. Fourth bit, arrange the following in ascending order. That means smallest number to biggest number. So from the smallest number to the largest number, we have to arrange the given numbers. Now what will be the smallest number? If we compare in the thousands place, whichever the digit is smallest digit, that will become the smallest number. Thousands place, see here, compare. Here, this is the smallest digit in the thousands place of the given number. So this number will be the smallest number. 3319 is the smallest number. So this number is less than which number next? So as we completed, let us underline this so that we cannot get confusion. So next in the digit 4. So is less than this number 4682. As we completed, just underline this. Okay. Now same in the thousands place, which digit is greater than this 4, 6, 8 or 7? It's 6. So let us write this number is less than 6974. So underline this. We left over with two numbers, 8251, 7825. So out of this, which is greater than 6, 7 or 8? 7 is greater. So 7, 8, 2, 5. Okay, and last leftover number is this, and this is the greatest number among all the given numbers. So write this, 8251 is the greatest number. If you go for the B question like this, so from again smallest number to largest number. So we have to look up for the thousands place. In the here we have 1, 1 and 1. Three numbers have 1 as digit in the thousands place. So in order to get more clarity, which is the smallest number, you have to look up for the hundreds place. In hundreds place, here we have 2, here we have 4, 8. So 2 is the smallest of these digits. So this is the smallest number. So 1234 is the smallest. So less than. Okay. So we are arranging smallest number to biggest number. So small and more, big, big, big in that way. So as we completed this, we left over with two digits which are in the ones in the thousand places. So 1, 1. If you go for hundreds place, 4 and 8, which is less number 4. So let us write this, 1467 is less than 1839. So as we completed these two digits, two numbers, underline. So last two numbers left over. In thousands place, 5 here, 3 here. Which digit is smaller? 3. So this number comes next, less than 3124. Last we left over with only one number, so let us write that, 5678. Okay, we completed all the numbers. So this is how we arrange ascending order, means smallest number to biggest number basing on the place only. Thousands place we have to look. If the thousands place is same, we have to look for the hundreds place. If it is also same, go for the tens place. Okay. Now go for the last bit, fifth bit. Fifth bit, arrange in descending order. So descending order, what is mean by descending order? Arrange the given numbers from largest to smallest. So in the thousands place, we have to look up for the largest digit first. So thousands place, we have 7 here, 7, 7, 8 and 7. So 8 is the greatest of all the digits in the thousands place. So this is the greatest number we have. So 8384 is greatest number. We are comparing with another number, so we have to write greater than symbol. So as we completed, let us underline this. Now remaining all the numbers have 7 in the thousands place. So what shall we do now? We go for the hundreds place. 4, 6, 8, 8. If we compare, two numbers having 8 in the hundreds place. So this and this. As we need next greater number, so like this, okay? 7800, 14 and 7834. We have to look for the tens place. In tens place, we have digit 1 here, digit 3 here. So which is greater, 3 or 1? 3. So let us write this number. Now this 7834 is greater than this number. So underline this, 7814 is greater than, left over with two numbers now. In hundreds place, we have 6 here, we have 4 here. So out of these two numbers, which is the greater number, this number will become greater number. So let us underline this and write 7608. And last we left over with only one number, let us write that, is greater than 7488. Okay. Now go for the B question. Again from greatest number to smallest number. In the thousands place, look up 89999. So we need thousands place highest digit. So we have 4 nines here. Then go for the hundreds place. 3 here, 2 here, 9 here, 0 here. So in hundreds place, which digit is greatest here? This digit. So this number will become the greatest number among all these. So 9919 is greater than. So starting with 9, we have 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3. Let us go for 100 place again. 3, 2, 0. So this number will become second greater number and this number will become third greater number. So remember, let us write this. 9318 is greater than 9219 and followed by this number, next greater number. So greater than 9019. Last we left over with only one number, so let us write that 8219. So in this way we form descending order. That means forming the numbers from greatest to smallest. We have to look up for the greatest digit in the thousands place. If thousands place is same, go compare with the 100 places. If 100 place is also same, go for the tens. Then if it is same, go for the ones place, so that we can arrange the given numbers in decreasing order from biggest number to smallest number. So children, today we have learned comparison of 4-digit numbers, and basing on these numbers we formed ascending order, descending order also. Now let us quickly revise all the rules for this comparison of numbers. First, when the digits are different, so greater digits number will become the largest number. And for comparing numbers we have symbols: greater than symbol, less than symbol and equal to symbol. The largest number will have greater than symbol. If the number is smaller, then we keep small less than symbol. Now if 4 or 5 numbers are given, then the question is asked in the form of ascending order or descending order. Then we have to compare the thousands places first. If it is ascending order, what you have to do? How do you arrange? We have to arrange the given numbers in increasing order. That means smallest number to biggest number. If you have to arrange in the descending order means, yes, first you have to arrange the biggest number, largest number, from largest number to smallest number. Okay, when out of given numbers find out the smallest number, then what do? You have to look up for the thousands places. In the thousands place, whichever the digit is less, then that digit will be the smallest number. If it is same highest largest number means, in the same thousands places, all the thousands place you have to compare whichever the digit in the thousands place, which numbers digit thousands place is greater, that will be the greatest number. Okay, now once again practice all these problems and also practice the song ascending ascending, climbing up, descending descending, coming down, so that you can easily remember ascending order, descending order. And let us meet tomorrow in the next class with another concept. Have a great day.